It's time for a quick trick. Today I have a magic wand and an envelope. I'm going to take the magic wand and place it into the envelope. Can you push this long magic wand all the way into this small envelope and then back out again? Sure you can. I'll show you how after this.
Today's quick trick is brought to you by fennel. Fennel has a white or pale green bulb with leafy stalks which produce fennel seeds. It's crunchy and slightly sweet. Fennel is closely related to parsley, carrots, and dill. Fennel has been grown throughout Europe and the Near East since ancient times. Today, the United States, France, India, and Russia are the leading producers.
Fennel is a great source of vitamin C, copper, fiber, potassium, and manganese. Put them all together, and you have fennel.
I love fennel in my sandwiches and as a side with salmon. Try some today.
Now here's the quick trick secret. For this trick, you're going to need a very special magic wand, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Take a cardboard tube or a plastic tube. Then paint it black. And I've already done that here to save some time. We'll take a look at this. Then you need a strip of paper, and you're going to wrap that around the tip of the wand and tape it together so it becomes the tip of the magic wand. Again, to save time, I already have one made here. I'm going to slip that on. And I've already done one on the other end as well. Now, this one moves. Okay, that's really important. There's your magic wand, and you're ready to begin. To perform, take an envelope, take the special magic wand, and place it into the envelope. Then grab the magic wand through the envelope. Now you're just going to hold on to this little tip end that moves, okay? And by holding on to that and pushing the tip forward, it makes it look as if the magic wand is getting smaller and shrinking into the envelope. Then you can pull it back out again, just like that. Okay, do that again. You place it into the envelope, hold on to the end, grab the tip, slide it along the tube, but it makes it look like the whole magic wand is getting smaller. Then pull it back out, and you have a shrinking magic wand. And that's the quick trick secret. For more quick tricks, be sure to visit our website. In the meantime, try this one at home, and you'll fool your friends.